What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to do an updated Amazon favorites because we all know I'm pretty much addicted to shopping on Amazon, and I just feel like you can get so many good things from Amazon. So I wanted to do an updated one, and here we are. I have so many things that I'm excited to share with you guys. I actually have a full Amazon favorite store, both for US and Canada. So it just makes it easy for you guys to literally go to my Amazon store, shop my favorites, and I have them all organized in categories. So I will leave those links down below for you guys. Before we get into it, I want to go ahead and mention that this video is sponsored by Missguided. I'm so excited to share Misguided Beauty with you guys. I'm actually wearing it all today. Amazing makeup products for such an affordable price, but I'm gonna go ahead and play the tutorial now and let you guys check it out. Okay, so I am so excited to be sharing Misguided Beauty with you guys. You know I've been a fan of Missguided for forever. I have spent thousands of my own dollars on their website. All of their beauty products are vegan and cruelty-free, and I'm really impressed with the quality of these. The foundation, for one, I am so impressed with. It really reminds me of a lot of my higher-end foundations. You guys will see for yourself just how good this foundation is. And I love that this shade has a nice olive brown undertone, and just look at how flawless and easy that applied. It applied so easily. I love this because I honestly feel like I could use it as like a tinted moisturizer, but also as a glam medium to full coverage foundation because it definitely is buildable. And there you go. You can just see how natural it still looks, but how well it also covered up my redness. So I'm gonna go in with their bronzer, and I love that this one is a duo. I'm just gonna dab this on, and you can see just such a natural finish that this gives. You can just see that foundation, like, I'm sorry, like, it makes my skin look so good. Like, my skin just looks so natural and radiant and healthy underneath. I feel like with this bronzer, I don't need to apply blush. Like, I noticed that the other day. It just gives you a nice overall bronzed and blushed look. And then I will typically just grab a fluffy brush, and I will also just place this bronzer all over the lid particularly, kind of really flaring out over here just to give my whole face a nice lifted look. Go underneath the eyes as well. They also came out with the most amazing liquid highlight, which I've been loving. So I will go ahead and just put this on my middle finger and dab, dab, dab. And look at how nice that is. And if you want it to blend in even more and just be a little bit more subtle, you can take the side that you put your foundation on and kind of go over it. So Missguided launched their Right Now Brow in Dark. I will just go ahead and apply that, but skip the front of my brow. And I will really make sure to press upwards. Then with a super light hand, I'll go on the front. So Missguided launched the nicest nudes. I love these undertones. They are the perfect nudes ever. I love this minimal packaging. It's so gorgeous. So I'm gonna go with the shade Note to Self. It is just the prettiest nude. I'm actually gonna put the shade Don't At Me just right in the center because it's a little bit lighter. And the formula is so nice and soft and creamy. The matte is not too drying at all. Last product I want to share with you guys. I am obsessed with this. This is called the hashtag No Filler Plumping Lip Gloss. This gloss really gives you that super smooth, glossy kind of look, and it does give your lips like a nice little plump, which I love. Look at that. So make sure you guys check out Misguided Beauty. I love how Misguided is really your one-stop shop. You can get your outfit and your makeup for such an affordable price. So make sure you go ahead and check the link in the description box. I'll link also everything that I used with the shades and everything down below. So now that you guys have seen the Misguided Beauty tutorial, let's go ahead and get into the Amazon favorites. So the first favorite is this top that I'm wearing right now. Honestly, I love this top. I feel like it's definitely more appropriate for like spring, fall. Definitely not a summer item because it is a little bit on the thicker side, which I wasn't expecting. It's almost like a thin sweatshirt, but it's like obviously a t-shirt, not an actual sweatshirt. And it's also cropped. It's a little bit of like a boyish fit, but it's just so comfortable. It feels so good too. It's that perfect shirt to just like throw on in the springtime with a pair of leggings, a cute bag, and sneakers, and you have like a good running errands type of outfit. It's just very comfy and cozy. Again, kind of like that oversized boyish fit, but I just really love it. The next thing I want to mention, I don't have with me right now, obviously, because it's kind of big and it's in my kitchen, but I'm going to show a clip for you guys, is my air fryer. I am so obsessed with my air fryer. If you have not gotten on, listen, I know air fryer, everyone's talking about it, okay? And it's like, it might seem like it's just hype, but if you have not gotten on the air fryer trend, you have to. I'm telling you, it is definitely worth the hype, you guys. Like, I can literally make dinner in under 10 minutes now because of my air fryer. And not only can I make dinner in under 10 minutes, I can have dinner cooking while I do other chores. Literally, I've had dinner cooking before and then I go upstairs and like wash my face and do my night skincare and have dinner cooking in the air fryer. Like it really is just perfect for multitasking. I like making pizza in them. Tacos are great too. Like if you just put the tortilla with a little bit of cheese, it melts the cheese perfectly, it crisps the tortilla perfectly. So good. I've even made chicken in there. What else? Veggies. I love carrots in the air fryer. So good. So the one that I have, I think is the brand Kusari. I could be saying it wrong anyways. Now I know it is tempting to get the smaller size, which is what I have. I have the smaller size, but I really regret it. And I feel like it's kind of a waste of money. Actually, it's not a waste of money because you can make two things now, but I'm definitely going to be buying the bigger size is what I'm going to say. I really love the brand that I have. It's super sleek. I just love the touch screen. So my next favorite from Amazon is a staple, especially since all of us are in lockdown right now. I have been trimming Sugar's hair, making sure he, you know, keeps himself clean and groomed and trimmed because the groomers are closed right now with lockdown. So it's super important just to have a good pair of like scissors on hand. They don't have to be the most expensive or the most professional scissors ever. I really love this one and I love this brand specifically. I'll link the exact seller down below. There's so many different ones on Amazon, but I like this specific one just because of the way that it cuts. I've had other ones before that kind of are like hard or they cramp up. These ones are really good. I love them for trimming Sugar's paws because that way when he goes outside, especially now in like the muddy rain and winter, I like to keep the hair around his paws trimmed, the hair around his face kind of like trimmed and cleaned. And I love that it comes with a set of two because this one specifically doesn't leave that awkward edge. Like, you know, when you cut hair and it just looks so choppy, this one does not leave it choppy. It gives it a natural cut just because of the little indents here. So yeah, I just love this set and I love the matte black. I feel like it's really sleek. So this I got because of Jaclyn Hill. I was watching her Taco Bell Crunchwrap Supreme, which I actually still need to make. I'm actually gonna make that this week probably, but I was watching her Crunchwrap Supreme video and I saw that she had a meat smasher. Is that what this is called? I don't know, a meat smasher, whatever. And I was like, oh my God, I need that. Because if you guys keep up with me, then you know I'm obsessed with making tacos with the Beyond Meat. So this makes it so easy to like smash up the ground meat into little tiny bits. Because you know when you buy ground meat and it's like in a pack and it's like all compact, this really smashes it up. I know, like totally random, but it just makes the biggest difference ever. It's so much easier than like struggling with a spoon and the spoon like slips. Like this just like mash, 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 and your ground meat is like in all these little nice pieces in like seconds. So this next favorite, I can't remember if I've mentioned this in a previous video or not, but it is an absolute staple of mine. I actually keep this on my vanity because while I'm doing my makeup, I have my phone. Let me actually put my phone in here now. While I'm doing my makeup, I have my phone literally sitting on here and you can flip it this way and I'll go ahead and like change the song that I'm playing. I'll go ahead and text people back. You can watch Netflix and turn it like that. You can Instagram story and it holds it for you obviously. And it also goes up. So that's really good. So you can get like a nicer angle. I just love this so much. And I just love how like sleek it is. It's not like an ugly like tripod, you know what I mean? But I will say this specific one, it's always out of stock and like sold out every time I go on Amazon to link it. So I'm gonna see if I can find, I'm gonna see if it's in stock. First of all, I'll link the exact one, but I'll also see if I can find alternatives, right? That are like really similar concepts. So I'll go ahead and try to find some good things for you guys. Okay, the next favorite I have to share with you guys, I literally just pulled off my nightstand because I was just wearing these PJs last night. I'm actually gonna toss them in the wash today so I can wear them again, because I'm telling you, I am obsessed with these. So let me tell you the story behind these, okay? First of all, how cute. I'm sure you've seen so many people wear these, right? As have I. And they just have like the nice little like white trim. So literally 2 days before Christmas, I was like, I don't have any like cute matching PJ sets to bring to my mom's house for Christmas. And I was like, how cute would it be just to have like a cute matching PJ set? It doesn't have to be Christmas themed, because the thing with Christmas themed pajamas is it's like, it's such a waste of money. You're gonna wear it only on Christmas week and then you're not gonna wear it throughout the rest of the year, right? So I was like, let me just get like a cute matching pair of PJs so I can wear for Christmas. And obviously still throughout the rest of the year. Now I wasn't expecting much because I am really picky, like with fit and everything. If something is not comfortable for me, I'm just picky. These are so nice, you guys. They are a tiny bit long on me because I'm short, but they're not super, super long. And they're just so perfect. Like, I love them. I got mine in the size medium. I'm not joking, you guys. I have been washing these and then wearing them, washing them and wearing them, washing them and wearing them non-stop. Like, I've been obsessed. They're just so cute, right? And you just feel so like, you feel so comfy, but at the same time you feel kind of like chic and cute while you're like watching a movie on your couch because you have like a cute little matching set. Like, don't get me wrong, you guys, I am all here for the oversized t-shirts around the house and just like mismatched pajamas, but I don't know, there's nothing like having a cute little set that you just feel really cute in. But my problem usually with sets is they're cute, but they're not comfortable. Like, really, in reality, I won't really wear them because I'd rather just wear my baggy tees, right? This, like I said, I've been wearing it non-stop. I'm totally obsessed. I actually need to get the gray. I want to get them in the gray, the pink, but they are sold out. I will leave the link to them down below because I think the black is still in stock. Ooh, I almost forgot to take a thumbnail. Okay, I just had to go in my drawer and get these. So I don't know about you guys, but I have been, well, I'm pretty sure a lot of people have. I've been like all at-home workouts. Like, even when the gyms opened back up, I didn't even go back because I discovered my love for working out at home. So that's one thing that lockdown did good for me, is it really showed me how much I love working out in my garage, in my backyard, and at home. It's just super convenient and just like works with my schedule. And I love that because I can wear so many cute outfits that I would be too shy to wear at the gym. Like, I just wouldn't go to the gym in like a, you know, a sports bra and a crop top or whatever and like some booty shorts. Like, I would feel too shy. So I love that like at home I can wear all these cute little outfits and combos. But anyways, these shorts are the absolute most comfortable shorts ever. I work out in them all the time. I cannot tell you how comfortable they are. Like, literally, I don't even know what else to say. They just fit so good, and they have like a little pocket in there if you want to put your AirPods or your wallet, whatever, your cards. Okay, and then I actually got this. So don't mind, you guys, like literally I have to toss this in the wash because I just wore it yesterday for my workout. My tan like got all over the underarm area, but anyways, we're just gonna ignore that. These tops are apparently dupes for the Lululemon Align tops, and they're kind of like sports bra tops. So inside they have an actual sports bra to give you some support, but it's kind of like a crop top at the same time. Honestly, if you guys check out the reviews on Amazon, there's so many amazing reviews for it. The material is so nice and smooth. I have been wearing these non-stop for my workouts. I have them in black, this blue color, and I also have them in pink. So I have mine in the shade large just because I wanted a little bit of a comfy fit, but I will say I would definitely need a medium for a supportive fit because I definitely can't like do jumping jacks or jump rope with the large. Like, it just wouldn't give me any support on my chest. So they definitely run very true to size. If you want to make sure you have a supportive fit, just get your true size, or you can size up like I did for a comfy fit. So the next favorite I wanted to mention to you guys is too big for me to carry, but I am gonna post it on the screen here, is my Faux olive tree. You guys, this olive tree is so gorgeous, and it actually has like such a realistic look. I am the first one to say, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I've said it in the past and I still kind of feel this way. I hate faux plants. I hate them. They look so tacky in my opinion. Like, they just look faux, you know what I mean? Like, they look kind of tacky. But I understand that there are circumstances where you need it. Like, maybe it's not your permanent home. Maybe you're not there all the time to take care of it. Maybe you just have a brown thumb. Is that what they call it? But anyways, in my circumstance, I really wanted an olive tree in my loft. Like, specifically an olive tree. I could have chosen another plant, but I wanted an olive tree, and olive trees require bright light, like lots of sunlight pouring in, and my loft area actually gets quite medium light. So with that being said, a real olive tree would have died. So I just said to myself, you know what, let me see if I can find a realistic looking one, but I didn't want to spend a lot of money. On Amazon, they have so many great options, but this one specifically had such great reviews. I believe it's out of stock, but I will just go ahead and still link it for you guys so you can kind of keep an eye on it. It looks so real. I ended up cutting off the actual olives off of it because it looks more realistic. So in real life, an olive tree will not grow olives indoors. It'll only grow olives outdoors. So by taking off the olives, it just makes the tree look that much more real. You know what I mean? By having the olives on there, you can tell it's kind of fake because it's like, in real life, olives would die indoors. I just think the tree looks so realistic. I love it. I really wanted that like naked kind of look. I'll post my inspiration photo right here, but I just wanted that like super naked, dainty olive tree type of look. I still need to get a pot for it, and it's also really nice and tall, and it was just such an affordable price. I've seen olive trees for like $600–700 Canadian, and this one was a really good price. Last item from my Amazon favorites I don't have with me because literally right before I was filming this video, I'm like gathering all my items and I cannot find my label scraper for the life of me. Such like a random item, but you will not believe how many times it comes in handy. For example, when I was organizing my pantry and I had so many labels to remove, I would have broke my nail by the end of it, but that label scraper took all the labels off within seconds. And not only for that, if you're cleaning your house and you have anything like stuck on, the label scraper just helps to scrape it off. The other week, for you guys who follow me on Instagram, you saw that I got a brand new front door, and on the bottom of my front door, not the front door, but on the bottom of like the weather strip, there was just like a sticker from the manufacturer. And let me tell you, that sticker was a whole different type of sticker. Like, it was not glued on, but it was just one of those annoying stickers that were so hard to remove. But the label scraper literally saved my life. If I would have had to remove that with my nails, I'm not joking, like my entire nail would have fallen off. Like, it was a tough sticker and the label scraper just took it right off. So basically what I'm saying is you might not think you need this item, but just keep it around your house because one day is gonna pop up where you're gonna see a label and you're gonna have to take it off and it's just gonna save your life, okay? So that is pretty much it, you guys, for my Amazon favorites. I hope you enjoyed. Honestly, these items I'm so obsessed with. When it comes to Amazon, I feel like there's so many things that like they sell on there that can make your life easier, like the air fryer, the label scraper, and I just love their clothes too. Like, they have so many good clothing options on Amazon. I'm gonna link everything individually down below for US and Canada, but I'm also just gonna link my Amazon shop for US and Canada. So if you just want to go to like the shop and see everything on one page, I will have that as well linked down below. And that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.